Okay, so it's me again, and as you can see, I got this TV in front of me. It's RCA ColorTrax 1993 model, and I got it from a demolition house that my brother and some other guy were demolishing, and yeah, I go to plug it in, and it makes this high-pitched whining noise. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but see, it doesn't show anything on the screen, and try to press the power button, it doesn't do anything. None of these buttons actually work for anything. I haven't tested the remote yet, because I don't have the batteries for it, but basically, it's just not doing anything. I've taken a look inside, but there's not really much to say about it for me. I don't know if you can see that in there. Anyways, if you know what's wrong with it, leave a comment in the likes in the comment field.